Whoa, it's gonna blow. Pit and Penny love volcanoes. Look, it's lava locks, Penny. Dad, can you help to make a real bubbling volcano? Like this one on TV? Dad has a plan, Yippee. His workshop has lots of tools. But safety comes first. Come on, kids, let's make the volcano. What's the green dough gonna be? Wow, Penny's stuck on lots of lava. Dino's ready too. Good job, kids. What chemicals do we need? No, Pit. Kids can't touch chemicals. They're dangerous. They can burn and hurt us. Mint candies. Dad's dropping them in the volcano. Go get a can of Cola Pit. And Penny needs to make bright red paint. Too pink. Add more red, Penny. Nailed it. The volcano's in place. Lava and soda ready. Go safely away, kids, because this volcano's gonna blow big. They're ready, Dad. Quick run! Get ready. Huh? It's just rumbling. Come on, Dad. Aim and launch. Wow. Eruption. We've got our very own volcano. Oops, but we better clean up now. Uh-oh. Yikes! Whoopee cushion fart blast. Whoa, Lemon, calm down. Oh no, you've lost your volcano. Hey! Don't take their volcano. Always ask to share. Don't just snatch other people's things. That's not nice. Uh-oh, Dino's tears are gonna make it blow. Pit's trying to bung it up. Take cover. No, Lemon, don't do that. Ah, he wants it to blow out bubbles. Let's try all the colors together. Wow! Bubble-tastic. Haha, they're floating back to class. Can you help fix it, Pit? Where does the brain go, Penny? Yay! Lemon, stop touching things that don't belong to you. Whoa, watch out, Lemon. Oh no, Skeleton's alive. Wow, it's a super skeleton basketball team. Oops. Come on, we've got to put him together again. Where's Lemon going? Uh-huh, we can copy and match. Yay, bones are all back in place. What's missing? Look, Penny, Skeleton found the missing heart. Planet class, yeah. No, Lemon spun the planets out of place. Yikes! A fiery meteor is coming our way. Shield up and ready. Yay, now the planets are placed just right. Oops, alien splat, haha. It's ice blasting the hot tea. But now it's freezing cold. Fire flame to make it hot again. No, Pit. It's too hot. When something's too hot, give it a blow. Always check so you don't get burnt. Now it's just right. Penny likes hot. Pit likes cold. Warm is in the middle and more comfortable. Watch out, crabs coming close, Penny. No, your ice cream. But that will be freezing cold. Yikes, your tongue is frozen to it. Give it a blow to warm it up.
So you have to blow, blow, blow. Always be
Don't have things too cold or too hot.
Warm it up a little.
Blowing can warm up or cool down things. Whoa, too cold. Warm her up, Pit.
Let's have a pizza, pizza.
Careful, kids. Check if it's hot first.
Can you see the steam?
Ouch, Bernie. She only needed water on her hand, Jack.
It means our pizza.
Never touch food before checking first.
So we have to
Blow on it. Here we go.
always be
We check with a thermometer so we don't get burnt.
when our pizza cools down. We can eat.
Just the right temperature now. Bubble bath time for Blueberry. Penguins like cold, icy water, but not for you, Blueberry.
Inside, let's
No, check the water first.
ride.
Brr, Blueberry, the water is freezing cold.
Cold, cold. So we have to add some hot
Pour in some hot water to make it warm.
Always be careful.
Dad's checked it. Now you can jump in.
When your bath is nice and warm.
Remember, kids, not too hot or too cold. Warm is best. Quick, Penny, get the fire truck. Pit's got fiery hands. Press the button for the water to spray. Uh-oh, the flame's not his face. What's that? Wow, a real fire truck. Let's go see. Hey, it's Cherry. Come on, kids, we're gonna be firefighters today. Press the siren, Dad. All ready for fire duty. Look, fire! What do we need? Bring the fire hose, kids. Firefighters have to stop fires before they spread. Yeah, the forest is saved. Fire truck drives through the city, ready to rescue. Oh no, we're stuck in traffic. How can we get past? Blast the siren so we can go through. Cars have to quickly move out of the way for rescue trucks. Quick! Mrs. Apple's home is on fire! She left her pie in the oven and now her kitchen's on fire.
It's a real fire truck.
Here you go, Dad. Blast those flames away. Huh? There's no water. Good job, kids. Fix the pipe to the fire hydrant. Get ready, Dad. Here comes the water. Firefighters use the hydrants to give them water. Yeah, we did it. Pit wants to press for the lights and siren to sound. Here we go. Whoa, Penny. I think the firefighter clothes are too big for you. Just wear the helmet. That fits just right. Emergency!
Go, go, go.
Get ready, everyone.
Sometime
We've got a rescue pair. He's stuck up a tree.
it's a real fire truck.
Siren sounds, lights flash. We're on our way to rescue. This time we need the long ladder. Don't be scared, pair. Firefighter will carry you down. Firefighters are strong and brave. No more climbing, pair.
Vroom, vroom.
Pit wants to drive the fire truck now. Wow, Pit, you've got your own steering wheel.
Fast and fast.
Copy and learn, Pit. That's it, you've got it. What's wrong? Oh no, Kitty's stuck on a burning roof. Quick everyone, get the fire hose ready. Keep spraying to stop those fiery flames. Hooray! Now Firefighter will climb to rescue Kitty. Kitty's perfectly happy. Back home, safe and sound. Penny, you've still got the helmet. Haha, looks like it's Kitty's new cat bed. Cool volcano, Penny. Run! The floor is lava!
Get ready for a
Hold tight, Blueberry!
It's time, the floor is lava to play. Oh,
Watch out, Pit! The floor is lava!
floor,
Jump onto the plant.
what are you waiting for?
It's like a sailing boat.
The floor is lava, lava. Oh,
Row along the lava. Haha!
hot.
Oh no! Quick, help her!
Ice coming under the door.
Crew, soft landing.
It's all over the floor.
Made it just in time, too. Now the floor's a trampoline. Bouncy bounce up and down.
Oh, wow.
We can jump all day.
I can play with you. Oh,
All that exercise has made them hungry. Uh-oh.
It's time, get ready for our game.
Now the floor is lava.
Time, the floor is lava to play.
Careful, Penny.
Get up the floor. Come on, friends, what are you waiting
Blueberry, look out. Step on the plate quickly.
the floor is lava, lava.
Now you can skate to safety.
No, it's burning hot. Lava.
Yikes, even the water's lava.
The door. Lava.
The floor is slime.
Over the floor. Now the floor
No, don't touch it.
it is
Slime is sticky and squishy. Don't worry, Blueberry. Cherry has a plan.
me. I am stuck.
Grab onto the sausage link lasso.
Cut out.
Heave. Oh!
Floor is lava, 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 lava.
Teamwork, yeah! No Penny!
It's time, get ready.
Uh-oh, the floor is lava.
It's time, the floor is lava to
Ah, Penny's stuck.
Oh no, get off the floor. Come on,
Hit! The floor is lava.
waiting for.
Jump onto the washing machine.
Floor is lava, lava.
Whoa,
No, it's burning.
it's paragliding, Pit. Haha.
Lava is coming under the door.
Quick blow so you don't fall.
Over the floor.
Now the floor is ice.
Floor is ice. It's really cold.
Everyone can slip and slide along.
Hey, watch out! Here I come.
Haha, Penny's sponge skating.
I can't speak now.
Watch out, she can't stop. Haha, that was fun. Oh no, fire, help. Whew, the firefighters arrived. Blast and splash until it's out. Oops, I think you need a wash. Fire truck too.
Fire truck needs a wash, wash.
Pit and Penny are ready to give you both a hose down.
Body, let's clean it, come on. All together, bubbly, bubbly.
Careful, Pit, the fire hose sprays very fast.
Truck wash, it's so much
Dad's having a double wash, haha.
Time for the hose. Spray, spray, spray.
Quick, turn the hose off.
Much water everywhere. Yay! Lovely hose, bubbly, bubbly splash. Fire truck wash. It is
Oopsie.
so much fun.
Penny will blow you dry with the leaf blower. Sparkling clean and fresh.
Use the soap.
Not too much, Cherry?
Scrub, scrub. Pop the bubbles in the air. Fruity smell, bubbly, bubbly.
Yikes,
splash.
bubble monsters, haha.
Fire truck wash. It is so much fun.
Cool bubbly hair pit, haha.
Bring the hose. Rinse, rinse,
Come on,
rinse.
Carrots. No time to play, we've got a fire truck to wash.
Nice and clean. All
No, Pit, not again.
Bubbly, bubbly splash. Fire truck
Huh?
wash.
It's empty.
It is so much fun.
It's okay, kids. The rain will wash the bubbles away. Careful, Pit. Too late. Don't be scared, Carrot. It's only Buckethead Pit. See? Haha.
Catch the
Wow, so clean, just like a mirror.
wipe, so get this track. Go
Rub-a-dub-dub, dry 'em real good.
and down with your hands.
Fire truck's all clean and dry now.
Push, it's so much fun.
Bouncy bounce, up and down for trampoline fun.
We need the
Whoa.
wax. Polish,
Quick, Dad.
polish. Get ready to shine so sparkly. Now we're
Fire
done.
truck's ready for rescuing again.
So nice. Fire truck wash, it's so much
Yeah,
fun.
it's the firefighter team.
Fire truck wash,
Is something burning,
so
Dad?
much fun.
Yikes, the kitchen! Oh dear, the pie's all soggy now. Run, Dad. Mom's gonna pie you in the face. Ha-ha! Penny's creeping and sneaking to teacher's desk.
Those are Miss Radish's.
She's transformed into the teacher. Oh no!
Now, I am your new teacher. And we are having a challenge day today.
Huh?
The first challenge is Dress to Impress. Cherry against Blueberry. Go!
Let's see who they get. A witch and a mermaid.
You have 5 seconds. Go!
Grab your dress-up clothes, girls. Oops!
Time's up. 1 minute to make a costume.
A flower. A seashell top. And mermaid tail. Yay!
Blueberry has passed.
Oh dear. Cherry looks like an upside-down muffin.
Cherry is out. Toilet challenge. Pete against lemon.
Yikes!
Throw bath bombs into the toilets to win.
Lemon's got angel toilet. But Pit's got demon toilet. And he's fiery with anger. Bubble body, haha. Lemon's doing great at this challenge. Pit, I hope you aren't gonna cheat. No, stop that. Aha! Cheaters never win!
Pete is out. The last challenge will define the winner. Grab the ropes to get to the finish. The floor is lava.
Jump on. Round the wheel. Jump onto the stone ledge, Lemon.
Lemon has passed the challenge.
Come on, Blueberry. You can do it. Get ready. Oh no, the lava! Phew. Good save, Lemon.
Come on. You can do this.
Almost! Almost!
Hooray! Lemon is the winner.
When we help our friends, everybody wins.
No boring test anymore.
Uh-oh.
Who did this? Want some candy?
Oh no, smoke clouds, there's a fire. Quick squirrel phone 911 for the fire truck to come. Penny will put out those dancing flames.
Here comes my fire.
Take that, you naughty fireballs.
Every
Squirrel's home is safe now.
wee-oo-wee.
Penny, quick! A naughty flame near the fire truck. Oh no, the fire truck needs a new wheel. Pit, can you fix the fire truck wheel?
Your fire truck will be.
Yeah, he's got a plan.
Let's change the tire just like this.
Now fire truck's got a fancy new wheel. Yippee, a candy pile. Police Officer Cherry, look! After the robber. Oh no, he's flying away.
Here comes my ball.
How can Bird help?
Chasing a thief down the street. Wee oo wee.
Peck and pop.
I
Haha.
lose my ball is far. Something is wrong. Somebody
Serves you right, sour
help me
stealer.
now.
No, he broke the police car.
Don't be sad, no
Can you fix it, Pit?
need. Your police car will be alright.
The plunger will pull it up.
To charge it just
Pull.
like
Come on, guys.
you see everything
Oops.
is fine.
Careful, Kitty. Cactus is prickly. Yikes. Kitty's been needled. Quick, Carrot. Kitty needs your help.
Wee oo wee. Here comes my ambulance.
All better now.
A patient to the hospital.
Don't touch it, Carrot.
Wee oo wee. I love my ambulance.
Ah, it's broken the ambulance light.
Somebody help
Pit, we need your help again.
Don't be sad, no
What's in the box?
need to cry. Your ambulance will be alright.
Yeah, a new light will fix up the ambulance.
To fix the lights like this, you see everything is fine.
Let's check it out. Wow, so bright. Pit's repaired all the emergency cars, hasn't he? Hurrah for Patch It Up Pit! Haha. Everything's repaired and ready.